Hi everyone. Today I come across with one of the best website. In that website you can earn money once you do all your work. That is a popular website also. Many people are working. Around 2 million people are working in that website. This is micro website, right? In if you do work you will be fed. You can work even with your mobile and PC and computer too. So those who are homeless, those who are jobless, those who are finding for jobs, even if they're doing job but if they're not satisfied, this is the best website for them. So go to the google.com, type it over there, click workers. Already then click worker name is visible here. Previous I have searched, therefore I am going to press on here, click worker. Once as soon as you type that click worker in google.com, that page will be redirected into that website. Guys, this is 100% genuine and legit and safe website. There, this company is been running. This company has been running from long years onwards. And if you wanted to know more about this company, whether it's genuine or not, you can go to google.com and type it about the click workers reviews, so that it will show you whether click worker is genuine or safe or not. If you are new to this click worker site or website, kindly register over there. Press on here in the register option. Once you press on that in register option, kindly I am going to remind you one thing, that there are multiple tasks are available, guys. Even you can record videos, you can take your pictures. That click workers is demanding you. Even tasks are available, surveys are available, translation jobs are available. There are a lot of multiple chances are there, guys, in this website. That click over there, register now, it's free for charge. You say, guys, this is 100% without paying registration fee or without investing any fee in this website. You are going to make account in this clickworker.com. Guys, my internet connection is very low, so please do have patience. It depends on internet connection in your city or time is available. Town is available. This internet will redirect you. It that much power or that much fast it will be. But whereas I'm from village, therefore the internet connection also very low. Guys, please do pick up that country name. So I'm from India, so I'm going to pick up the country name. Once you choose your country name, the page will open like this, personal data, right? Go to salutation, and if you are a sister client, do take a second option. If you are anything you wanted, then see the guys, there is something that college are there. So if you want it to be Mr. to identify, then click over there and type here also title that you wanted to be identified in this website, and type your name and give your last name. If you have company, then you please do write that company also, right? And choose date of birth month and date of the date that you have born, and again then date in year that you have born. And please do fill up this address, complete address, your complete address. Guys, please don't give fake address. If this website come to know that you are giving fake address, then definitely they will ban your account. Therefore I recommend you that don't give this fake address, right? If you wanted to work genuine in this website, please do give genuine website, right? I hope you are understanding. Then fill up your all details that worker is asking. Don't be scared at this website. It's 100% secure. It's genuine. Please do choose. If you are from USA, then zip code they call that. If you are from India, then you need to type a postal code. Zip code, postal code, both are same, guys. but in USA they say zip code. And type your city name also, current city name or near city, and give your state name. Type your email address. Again retype that email address that you have given above to confirm, right? And give your login name. Okay, if you wanted to, then login I'm going to type here. And try to create a best password, strong password, so that hackers can't identify, even they can't able to access into your account. That depends on you guys, so that you can protect from even from hackers. You can able to secure your account details, right? From there select your time zone. In India there are Bangalore and Kolkata, then New Delhi, Chennai, Bombay. The time zones are there. It depends on which one you want to prefer to select, right? See, Chennai there, Kolkata there, Bombay there. So I want to select now Chennai timeline. Same, even Kolkata timeline, in even Chennai timeline, both times are correct. Then once you fill all your details, so please do agree. Okay, I am of legal age, and please do agree conditions and terms up to clients and all these things. Even if you are filling all these details, if you forget to fill what say confirm all three things right marks, if you are not going to tick it, then you are not going to be eligible. Then once you fill up all details, then please do press on this green button, that see this one sign up. The once you sign up, this you will be send one email from this clickworker.com. Then once they send you one email, that please do confirm it. Okay, once you confirm, then it will be redirected. We just do verify. So already I have clickworkers account, therefore I'm not going to sign up, rather I'm going to change now clickworkers. Here login also will be there, guys. Even there are apps also available, guys. See, per apps, if you are having a laptop or PC, then kind of download their apps. Even per mobile also there is app is available. You can go to the Google Store or App Store and you download over there. So I'm going to log in into this website. So I'm going to come back. Okay, just I was showing you that how to register into this website, but already I have account, therefore I'm coming back. I'm going to log in into this website. There are multiple tasks are available, tasks and photos and videos, and you can record. They will give you guidelines how to do that also, don't be worried about. Once you follow their terms and condition, the rules that they are asking you, if you do accordingly, then you are going to be paid. If you be hurried and if you want as you like wanted to do the job, then you are not going to pay. Make sure that most of the guys or students and the workers, they do like that, they do as they like. That's how they're not going to be paid if they work also. There are rules are there, even each work has rules and regulation. According to this rule, no, you have to do that. Already I have account, therefore I'm going to log in into this website. So I'm going to show you, okay, how this page will be, even what are the tasks are available. Guys, I recommend you that please do install that clickworker app. That app also available in Google Play Store, right? Please to have little patience. I'm going to log in. Already I have in this, guys. you are going to earn euro. You might be knowing euro is a little higher price than US dollar. Once your amount reaches up to 10 euros, then you can able to withdraw into your account. So I'm going to put my password that I have created to login, and I'm not a robot, so I'm going to fresh over there. I need to confirm that I'm not a robot. Guys, you're going to earn euro. Euro is a little high price than US dollar. Okay, so again, this is saying that is a wrong password, but again I'm going to retype. Guys, I'm going to retype. I'm going to confirm again. I'm not a robot. If this is not working, there is another way to log in also, right? You can download this official Clickworker app. Oh. Guys, it's better to go there now. Just go, okay? Go to Google Play Store or App Store. That depends on you. Depends on you. Okay? Type here Clickworker. If it is not working with their website, no, you can directly download their app. Install here, right? So I'm going to install. Get little, have patience, so that I can tell you what are the tasks are available. Just be patient. My internet connection is very low, guys. Very poor connection. That's what see, even for taking download is taking this much time. So let me go to this app store. Here little bit fast. You can download here, okay? This app store works very fast. So I'm going to try from here also. Okay, yes, then let us do. Then guys, please do have patience with me. That's all, guys. You can do that, and the password and username, kindly give your password and username. Okay, once this app is installed, kindly give there, so that they will show you the what are the tasks are available. They are going to give you, and according to their requirements, please do that, and you will be paid once the amount reached up to 10 euros. Guys, I hope this video is informative, helpful for you. Those are searching for a job, even those are doing a job. If even not satisfied, you can come to this website and register over there and join as a click worker and do task and earn money. Guys, if you like this video, please do like it and share to someone else, so that it will be helpful for them also. Even if you like, and please do comment if you have any questions regarding this click worker, so that I will read each comments and I will respond to you. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, so that you will not miss out any money making sites. So once you subscribe, you will receive new notifications, new videos into your mobile. Thank you for everyone.